Have you ever spent time manually coloring every input cell in your Excel workbook? It works at first, but as your spreadsheet grows, it quickly becomes tedious and easy to mess up. What if Excel could identify every editable cell for you? Surprisingly, it already can, using one little known function that most users have never discovered. Here is the key idea. Every Excel cell has a locked property. Worksheet Protection simply decides whether that property is enforced. Understanding this difference unlocks the entire trick. The hidden function is cell function. If the reference cell is unlocked, Excel returns 0. If it is locked, Excel returns 1. That's all the information we need. Now let's put that information to work. Open Conditional Formatting, create a new rule, and choose Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now enter this simple formula. This tells Excel to format only the unlocked cells. Choose the fill color you want. Yellow is the most common choice because users instantly recognize it as an editable input field. Does this actually work in real Excel? Let's check it out. Everything we have seen so far was an illustration. Now let's see if it actually works in Microsoft Excel. We need to unlock all those cells which are editable to test our conditional formatting rule. This range here is our input range. Format cells from locked to unlocked. Now, I will select the entire sheet because I want this rule to apply everywhere. Conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. And now we write the formula here is equal to cell function protect, comma, A1. Bracket close is equal to 0. We do not want an absolute reference because we want the conditional formatting rule to apply to the whole sheet. Now we choose a color to format those input cells. We will choose a lighter shade of yellow. Okay, and okay. That's it. Every locked cell is highlighted automatically. Notice that only the editable cells are highlighted while the locked cells remain untouched. No manual coloring, no maintenance. Excel does everything automatically. That's the power of combining conditional formatting with the hidden cell protect function. Now let's check the other cells if the conditional formatting rule is working correctly. These are also our input fields. We simply go and change the protection type from locked to unlocked. Okay, that's it. It means that our conditional formatting rule is working pretty fine. And that's it. From now on, whenever you build an Excel template, let Excel identify the editable cells for you, not you.